Hello everyone. আজি ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি কেইটামান MCQ কৰিম on current affairs for the month of August. So আহক আজি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনেদি। Question number 1. The International Telecommunication Union Regional Standardization Forum for Asia and Oceania region has been hosted in which country? A. Nepal, B. Myanmar, C. Bangladesh, and D. India. Our answer to hobo D. India. Our jagatu asile New Delhi. Question number 2. Rishabh Pant has been made the brand ambassador of A. Kolkata, B. Uttaranchal, C. Delhi, D. Uttarakhand. Answer to hobo D. Uttarakhand. Question number 3. Who became the first woman to take over as India's permanent representative to the UN? Option are A. Chokila Iyer, B. Aditi Hundia, C. Ruchira Kamboj, D. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. And the answer is Ruchira Kamboj. Question number 4. India's first Visual Space Museums Park has been set up by option A. NASA, B. IDSN, C. SDSC, and D. ISRO. The correct answer is D. ISRO. Question number 5. Name the two countries that have withdrawn from the cooperative group of China and Central Eastern European countries. Options are A. Albania and Bosnia, B. Romania and Bulgaria, C. Estonia and Latvia, and D. Poland and Greece. Answer to hobo C. Estonia and Latvia. Question number 6. Who is the new chairman and MD of Oil India? Option A. Ramesh Maharaj, B. Dr. Pushpakumar Joshi, C. Dr. Ranjit Rath, and D. Sandeep Kumar Gupta. Answer is C. Dr. Ranjit Rath. Question number 7. For the first time in history, India's women force wins which medal at the Commonwealth Games 2022? Option are A. Gold, B. Bronze, and C. Silver. And the correct answer is A. Gold. Question number 8. Who has been newly appointed as World Bank's Country Director for India? Option A. August Kwame, B. Indamit Gill, C. Junaid Kamal Ahmed, and D. Anshula Kant. Answer to hobo A. Auguste Tano Kwame. Next question to hold. Who took oath as the 14th Vice President of India? Option A. Hamid Ansari. Option B. Ramaswamy Venkataraman. Option C. Jagdeep Dhankar, and D. Gopal Saurabh Pathak. Answer is C. Jagdeep Dhankar. Question number 10. India's first observatory to monitor space activity is to come up in which state or union territory? Option are A. Bangalore, B. Daman and Diu, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Uttarakhand. The correct answer will be D. Uttarakhand. Question number 11. A. Sharad Kamal and Shrija Akula won which medal for TT mixed doubles at the Birmingham Commonwealth Games 2022? Options are A. Gold, B. Bronze, and C. Silver. And the correct answer is A. Gold. Question number 12. Which state plans to develop India's first education township? Option A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Karnataka. And the answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 13. Who is appointed as India's new High Commissioner to the UK? Option A. Pranay Kumar Verma, B. Vikram K. Doraiswamy, C. C.B. Muthama, and D. Gayatri Kumar. And the correct answer is B. Vikram K. Doraiswamy. Question number 14. Who has been newly appointed as the Director General of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? Option A. Dr. N. Kallai Selvi. Option B. Jitendra Singh. Option C. Dr. Balram Bhargava. And option D. Dr. Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar. Answer is A. Dr. N. Kallai Selvi. Question number 15. Who becomes the first Indian girl to win a gold medal at the Under-20 Wrestling World Championship? Option A. Antim Panghal, B. P.V. Sindhu, C. Karnam Malleshwari, and D. Avni Lekhara. Correct answer is option A. Antim Panghal. Question number 16. Who has won the Miss Deva Universe 2022? Option A. Divita Rai, B. Anugriti Vas, C. Shrishti Rana, or D. Aditi Arya. And the correct answer is option A. Divita Rai. Question 17. Which state has planned to set up 300 rural industrial parks to boost and strengthen village economy? Option A. Chhattisgarh, B. Assam, C. Punjab, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer to hobo A. Chhattisgarh. Question 18. Which state has recently got the GI tag for Mithila Makhana? Option A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Bihar, and D. Assam. Answer to hobo C. Bihar. Question 19. Which bank has launched India's first electronic vehicle ecosystem, all things EV? A. HDFC, B. SBI, C. ICICI, D. PNB. Answer to hobo A. HDFC. Question 20. India's first Himalaya Spice Garden is built at A. Kerala, B. Bengaluru, C. Ranikhet, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer to hobo C. Ranikhet. Question 21. Who was sworn in as the 49th CJI by President Draupadi Murmu? Option A. Justice S.C. Sharma. Option B. Justice Bobri. Option C. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, and D. Justice R.M. Chhaya. And the correct answer is option C. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit. Question 22. Which institute has developed a sugar substitute called xylitol? Option A. IIT Guwahati, B. IIT Delhi. Option C. IIT Bombay, or D. IIT Indore. Answer to hobo A. IIT Guwahati. Question 23. FIFA has lifted its ban imposed on which country's football federation? Option A. Australia, B. Venezuela, C. Spain, D. India. Answer to hobo D. India. Question 24. Who inaugurated the ONGC Para Games 2022? Option A. Shri V. Sunil Kumar, B. G. Kishan Reddy, C. Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, D. Anurag Thakur. Answer is C. Hardeep Singh Puri. Question 25. Indian men's team has won gold medal by defeating whom in table tennis in the CWG Games 2022? A. Singapore, B. Korea, C. Belgium, D. Spain. Answer to hobo A. Singapore. Question 26. Who has become the first Asian to make it to the top 3 of the Bloomberg Billionaires Index? A. Zhong Shanshan, B. Gautam Adani, C. Mukesh Ambani, and D. Jack Ma. Answer to hobo B. Gautam Adani. Question 27. India's first portal of arrested drug offenders, Nidan, launched in August 2022, has been developed by A. NCB, B. CDSCO, C. INCB, and D. DCGI. Answer to hobo A. NCB. Question 28. HDFC has opened the first all-women branch in which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer to hobo A. Kerala. Question 29. Name the countries that had got approved recently by the US Senate to join NATO. A. Sweden and Finland, B. Spain and Italy, C. Albania and Belgium, D. Netherlands and Norway. Answer to hobo A. Sweden and Finland. Question 30. IDF World Dairy Summit 2022 will be held in A. New Delhi, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer to hobo A. New Delhi. Question 31. Hydrogen powered rail service for the first time has been started in which country? A. Spain, B. India, C. Germany, D. Switzerland. Answer to hobo C. Germany. Question 32. Who among the following is the recipient of the UNESCO Peace Prize 2022? Option A. Giorgio Parisi, B. John Baptiste, C. Angela Merkel, and D. Stefania Fernandez. Answer is C. Angela Merkel. Question 33. A company has emerged as the top bidder of India's first 5G spectrum audition. Name the company. A. BSNL, B. Airtel, C. Reliance Jio, D. Vodafone. Answer to hobo C. Reliance Jio. Question 34. Name the country that will host special meeting of UNSC counter-terrorism meeting. A. US, B. UK, C. India, D. Japan. Answer to hobo C. India. Question 35. India's first indigenously developed hydrogen fuel cell bus has been launched at A. Delhi, B. Bangalore, C. Pune, D. Hyderabad. Correct answer is C. Pune. Question 36. The first Indian city to have officially released Environmental Insights Explorer data from Google. A. Aurangabad, B. Bangalore, C. Pune, D. Guwahati. Answer to hobo A. Aurangabad. Question 37. India has added dash more wetlands in the Ramsar sites list. A. 8, B. 11, C. 7, D. 12. Correct answer is B. 11. Question 38. The International Youth Day is celebrated every year on A. August 1, B. August 8, C. August 6, D. August 12. Answer to hobo D. August 12. Question 39. What is the venue of the first Khelo India Women's Judo Tournament? A. Guwahati, B. Pune, C. Greater Noida, D. New Delhi. Answer to hobo A. Guwahati. Question 40. India's first 3D printed post office is coming up at A. Pune, B. Bangalore, C. Calcutta, D. Dehradun. Answer to hobo B. Bangalore. Question 41. Who is the head of the task force recently constituted by the Centre to monitor the situation of monkeypox in India? A. Vicky Paul, B. Nirmala Sitharaman, C. Mansukh Mandavia, and D. Nalin Negi. Answer to hobo A. Vicky Paul. Question 42. PM Modi has addressed the Khadi festival in which city of India? A. Surat, B. Vadodara, C. Ahmedabad, D. Pune. Answer to hobo C. Ahmedabad. Question 43. Name the country that has been recently given the status of dialogue partner by the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. A. India, B. Japan, C. South Korea, D. Nepal. Answer to hobo D. Nepal. Question 44. Who has been recently appointed as the Executive Director of India at the IMF, replacing Surjit S. Bhalla? A. Sundar Pichai, B. S. Jayashankar, C. Dr. Rakesh Mohan, D. K. Subramaniam. Answer to hobo D. K. Subramaniam. Question 45. Which from the following has become a functionally literate district? A. Solapur, Maharashtra, B. Mandala, MP, C. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, D. Dibrugarh, Assam. Answer to hobo B. Madhya Pradesh. Question 46. Where will India's first night safari park be set up in? A. Uttaranchal, B. Karnataka, C. Lucknow, D. Uttarakhand. Answer to hobo C. Lucknow. Question 47. Who is the CFO of fintech startup BharatPe? A. Falguni Nair, B. Jeff Bezos, C. Suhail Samir, D. Nalin Negi. The correct answer is D. Nalin Negi. Question 48. Which from the following has been declared as the best aspirational district in India? A. Haridwar, B. Anantapur, C. Balrampur, D. Jaisalmer. Answer to hobo A. Haridwar. Question 49. Who is the new chairman of Vodafone Idea? A. G.P. Samant, B. Peter Albers, C. Ravinder Takkar, D. Shrikant Madhav Vaidya. The answer is C. Ravinder Takkar. Question 50. Who presided over the 7th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog? A. Arvind Panagaria, B. Shri Suman Beri, C. Narendra Modi, D. Mr. P. Iyer. Answer to hobo C. Narendra Modi. Question 51. Who has been appointed as the MD of IDFC Bank? A. V. Vidyanathan, B. Vaibhav Jawar, C. Mahendra N. Shah, D. Shri Suman Beri. The answer is C. Mahendra N. Shah. Question 52. Which of the following is to be declared as a national monument post issuance of a gadget notification? A. Sheesh Mahal, B. Sanchi Stupa, C. Anang Tal Lake, D. Agra Fort. Answer is C. Anang Tal Lake. Question 53. National Small Industry Day is observed every year on A. August 7, B. August 30, C. August 31, D. August 12. Answer is B. August 30. Question 54. Who recently inaugurated the iconic Atal Bridge over the Sabarmati River in Ahmedabad city of Gujarat? A. Shri Ashwini Vaishnav, B. Shri Narendra Modi, C. Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, D. Shri G. Kishan Reddy. Answer is B. Shri Narendra Modi. Question 55. The Asia Cup Cricket 2022 will be organized by which country? A. Japan, B. Australia, C. UAE, D. India. Answer is C. UAE. Question 56. The National Sports Day is celebrated every year in India on A. August 1, B. August C, C. August 18, D. August 29. Answer is D. August 29. Question 57. Which ministry has recently unveiled a new initiative named Earth Ganga under the Namami Gange program with an aim to boost economic activities along the banks of river Ganga? A. Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, B. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatic Change. C. Ministry of Jal Shakti. And D. Ministry of Tourism. The answer is C. Ministry of Jal Shakti. Question 58. National Handloom Day is celebrated in India every year on A. August 7, B. August 11, C. August 31, D. August 12. Answer is A. August 7.